This is the quickest and easiest large chicken run that I've been able to come up with. Not only that, but it's been amazingly reliable and durable. See, a year ago, I was in a bit of a predicament and I had to build a run for 20 chickens and one rooster yesterday. And so I didn't know what I was going to do. I didn't have time to build a frame out and do all the work to lay out hardware cloth. So I found this 8x8 chicken run available through Tractor Supply. And you know, one 8x8 wasn't going to be enough for 21 birds. Two, still a little tight, but three 8x8 spots, well, that's pretty solid. But I only bought two. So the best part about this whole thing is also super cost effective because I bought the first two, and what I do is rather than closing in the sides, you can see here, I swing the sides out, connect them using side panels from each, leaving them open, and then placing a roof over that. So that center area right there, it's all free space, an extra 8x8 in the middle. Well, minus the cost of the roof, which is probably a little under $100. Too easy. Now the way I built this roof was incredibly easy too. Let me show you. So I built this roof to cover those two stretched out side doors that were connected by just building a very basic 2x4 frame and attaching this plastic roofing with screws with rubber washers on them so that way they don't leak. It's worked incredibly well. Now additionally on the sides, I put these panels here so that way me and Mandy just lifted it right up, slid it over, and it's got a nice hold. See? Perfect. I placed the doors on either end, so now you can just walk right through it, which is really convenient from one end to the other. And it's also helpful when you're wrangling up the birds. You can shut one door, leave the other open. They've got these great latches too, which even I get stuck in sometimes, even raccoon proof. And so when I want the birds to come in, what I do is I chase them around. They'll come through, all right, like that. They're gonna be wrangled right in if you leave that one side door open, then shut the other. So it works awesome. Put some basic decorations in here, some branches, built a table, and this has been great for some of our younger birds. Additionally, I left one square open, and that's what attaches to the run. So I do, because there's no flooring underneath this, I do have this opening here, and I make sure to latch this at night so that way nothing can burrow in, because I didn't put any hardware cloth under. If you really want this to be predator proof, you're gonna need to put hardware cloth on the floors. And honestly, this won't be rodent proof either. Rodents can definitely get through the gaps in here, but nonetheless, awesome for a daytime run. And I've been loving it. And the best part is nothing on this has at all started falling apart. There's been no broken parts, and they love using it now as a dust bath. We were planning on breaking it down. I didn't expect to have it for a year. I thought it was just a temporary one while we're building the big guy in the back. But of course, we have a broody hen with 6 chicks and a couple young roosters who are living in here now. So it's been nice having the extra space this summer. I have a feeling this is a little more permanent than I thought. Let me know if you have any suggestions, questions in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, thank you.